Want to control who can be invited to your Google Ads account or getting error when adding a user with their domain email? In this video, I'll help you how to fix that, how to add specific domains to the list of allotted email addresses for invitations. This helps ensure only authorized users can access your account. So let's dive into the screen. Hi everyone, so today I will show you how to fix this allowed domain issue in your Google Ad account. When you are adding a new user and the email address is with the domain name, so you might see this error in your Google Ads account. So if you are facing this issue or this error, what you need to do? You need to add allowed domain in your Google Ads account, so Google allows this domain to access your ads account. So how you can do it? First of all, log into your ads account. It is ads.google.com, and there on the top search bar find access and security. So I'm already on access and security page. In case you don't find this option, you can search here access and security. So you can find the option here, click on that, and then you will see these options to add a user. If you try to add an ID with the domain name, then you will see an issue. So the invitation will not be sent to that domain since this domain is not allowed in Google Ad account. So you need to, what you need to do, you need to go into the security sections. On the top you see the option user manager and their security. Under there you can find the allowed domain options. Currently you see only Gmail is allowed, so there you can add other domain. Similarly, you can add other, if user domain is different, then you can add multiple domains. First add it in allowed domains, and then you can add any users there. So that is how you can fix that error. You can add a users with their domain email address. And that's it. Now only email addresses from the approved domains can be invited to your Google Ads account. So if you need to add more domains, you can add them by following the steps shared above. So if you found this guide helpful, like, share and subscribe for more Google Ads tips. Have questions, drop them in the comment below.